Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Bloons TD on your personal computer. To begin, you will need to purchase and download the game from the Steam platform. Ensure your system meets the minimum requirements for a smooth experience, typically requiring at least 4 GB of RAM and a dual-core processor. A stable internet connection is also essential for game updates and accessing online features. Once you have the game installed, the core objective is to prevent Bloons from reaching the end of the path. You achieve this by strategically placing various monkey towers, each with unique abilities. As you pop Bloons, you earn in-game money, which is crucial for upgrading your existing towers or purchasing new, more powerful ones. Mastering this cycle is key to progressing through the many challenging levels. To truly excel, incorporate hero monkeys into your strategy. They offer powerful, unique abilities that can turn the tide of battle. Experiment with combining different tower types to discover potent synergies, like pairing a glue gunner with a bomb shooter for maximum Bloon destruction. Efficiently managing your in-game economy is vital to afford the most powerful late-game towers and upgrades. Beyond the main game, explore the diverse range of game modes and daily challenges to keep your experience fresh and exciting. Adjust your graphics settings within the game menu to find the perfect balance between visual quality and smooth performance on your specific system. Finally, engage with the vibrant Bloons TD community to share strategies and enhance your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.